Welcome to day 1 of the Why We Wear Masks meditation series. I'm Mary Beth Rim. This series is about uncovering the parts of ourselves that often stay hidden. It's about noticing the masks we wear, those invisible coverings we put on to protect ourselves, to please others, to hide what feels too tender to show. Sometimes the mask is a smile when we're hurting. Sometimes it's strength when we feel like collapsing. Sometimes it's control when we're afraid of being vulnerable. We all wear masks, and for a time, they may have served us. But over years, those masks can feel heavy, stifling, even suffocating. So in this series, we'll learn how to gently set them down, one by one, so we can breathe freely and meet ourselves as we truly are. And that begins right here with your breath, your foundation. And before we begin, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't have to miss a day of these meditations. Let's go ahead and settle in, find a position that feels comfortable for you, either sitting down or lying down. Allow your body to rest. Your hands soft at your sides or in your lap. If it feels safe to do so, close your eyes. If that doesn't feel safe, just gaze down. Take a slow inhale in through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathing in slowly. And exhaling completely. Notice how even in this simple act, your body starts to release. Your shoulders sink a little deeper. Your face softens. The grip of the day loosens. As you breathe, bring to mind this truth. Your breath never wears a mask. It doesn't pretend. It doesn't perform. It simply flows. Sometimes shallow, sometimes deep, but always real. Now imagine that with each inhale, you invite yourself home. And with each exhale, you release the weight of one mask. Picture yourself standing before a mirror. On your face, a mask you've worn for a long time. Maybe it's the mask of I'm fine. Take a slow inhale. And as you exhale, imagine lifting that mask away. Feel the air touch your skin. Notice the lightness. Now inhale again, gathering courage. Exhale and remove another mask. Perhaps the one that says, I must always be strong. Feel the freedom in not needing to carry that burden in this moment. Continue breathing, peeling back one mask at a time. The mask of perfection. The mask of control. The mask of silence. The mask of pretending. Each exhale clears a little more space. Each breath makes you lighter. Bring your hand gently to your heart. Feel the rise and fall beneath your palm. This is you, not the version hidden behind masks, not the one performing or protecting, just you, breathing. Repeat silently with your breath. On the inhale, I return to myself. On the exhale, I let the mask go. Breathe on your own for several cycles. As we begin this series on why we wear masks, remember this: you are not your masks. They were never your foundation. Your breath is. Each time you feel the urge to hide, to cover, to pretend, return here to the breath, to the part of you that has never left. If this meditation spoke to you, join me as we continue deeper into this journey. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss a day. Together, we'll keep uncovering, unmasking, and learning to live as our truest selves. Take one final deep breath in. And slowly release. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.